Okay, so you divide by 7 on both sides. Then negative 35 divided by 7 is
-5, son.
okay, yeah, negative 5. That's what I had.
So x equals?
X equals negative 5.
What should he do to his answer?
Circle X with part of it, make it easiest.
All right, number two, fantastic. Christian's doing number 2. You did the bell ringer.
Okay, so what color?
Whatever color you want. All right, number 2.
Okay, so you add 3 to both sides. Cross out that. And then 21 plus 3 is 24. So you do 2x equals 24.
Negative 2x.
Oh, sorry. And then you divide.
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x. Then you divide negative 2. Cross that out. And then negative 24.
Nope, positive 24 divided by negative 2.
Positive 24 divided by negative 2 equals x equals
Negative 12.
negative 12. Yeah.
Fantastic. All right, did everybody get number 2 right? Here we go, number 3.
So it's 10 decreased by 2x equals a negative 44. So now you subtract 10 on both sides. So now you have negative 2x equals negative 54. And now you divide by negative 2x. And you divide by negative 2, which will give you 27.
Fantastic. X equals 27. Now, does everybody see how she set it up as 10 minus 2x?
Yes.
Because it says 10 decreased by twice a number. Some of you did 2x first, which wouldn't be right because it says 10 decreased by, and some of you did x squared, and we're not there yet.
I got next.
All right, begin.
First, we have to subtract 3. And we cancel. And we bring all this down. And then we multiply by negative 6 on both sides. And we cross that out. And we get negative 18. And then we multiply by 2.
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. And we get negative 9.
Fantastic. So the first thing she did was subtract 3 from both sides. Then she multiplied both sides by negative 6 and then divided by 2. Could she also have done the multiplicative inverse? Where you just flip the fraction. All right, who would like to do number 5?
Sides.
Negative 36.
Oh, and then you bring down your negative 6. You divide by negative 6 on both sides.
What?
And then x equals 6.
Fantastic job. Number 7, go.
Okay. So you're gonna use the distributive property, and you're gonna multiply 6x and 9 by 3, and you're gonna get 18x plus 27 equals 20. And 27 is positive, so you're gonna subtract it from both sides, which should give me
Negative 7.
negative 7. Oh, you can't see it. Negative 7. equals 18x. And you're going to divide by 18.
Right up here on this side.
Oh, and then you're going to divide by 18.
-7.
Oh, -7. And then what? Just leave it as a fraction?
Yep, so x equals -7/18.
X equals -7/18 is your answer.
Okay.
Wow.
All right, here we go. Number 8.
Remove it? Okay. So you add 5 to both sides. 3 to both sides. And then subtract 5x. They're not paying attention. You say no to me or to that?
To what you just said. They're not. But it's their study guide.
And then you divide by 9. And x equals 5/3. Right.
Now, before we talk about multiplying by the reciprocal, fractions are just division. So are both of these numbers divisible by 3? Yes. So if you distribute this, all you're going to do is divide both of those numbers by 3. So what's 6 divided by 3?
3x. Oh, I mean, same thing.
2x. All right, and now what's -18 divided by 3? -6 minus 2x equals 15. Now, before we go any further, does anybody have any questions on where the 2x and the -6 came from? Okay, the 1 goes away because 1 times 6 is just 6. And then 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. Then we distribute it over here. 1 times 18 is 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And we keep our minus sign because it's a positive times a negative. Is everybody a little better?
Yeah.
I don't know what Mitchell's doing back there. Are you watching this problem that we're doing? Finish the rest of the study guide. Okay, now, would we combine like terms or move like terms? Combine, because they're on the same side. So you combine like terms. And what is 2x minus 2x? 0. So what's left over here? Nope, no x. It's just 0. 0 makes it go away. It dies.
So no solution.
Is that a true statement?
No.
No. So what's our answer, Travis?
No solution.
No solution. No solution.
Can you draw a circle with it?
I would rather you not, because that looks like a 0.
Well, a circle with a line.
Yeah, looks like a that you guys just freak out over.
I like friends.
How do you think we would get rid of all those fractions?
Okay, so first,
What's the biggest denominator? So could we multiply everything by 8? Multiply everything here by 8. Multiply that fraction by 8, that fraction by 8. I can't see this. This is going to drive me crazy. All right, so we have, what's the problem? 5x divided by 8 plus 3/4 equals 15/8. Okay. All right, so to get rid of our fractions, we are multiplying every single thing here by 8. Okay? Now, does this cancel this 8? That cancels it. What's left? All right, do I need to pause so anybody can keep writing? Does everybody see where we got the 5x from?
Yes.
Where did we get the 5x from? We multiplied by 8. They canceled out. You got 5x. All right, now, is this going to cancel out here? No. What happens? We cross divide. So how many times does 4 go into 8? 2. And what's 2 times 3?
6.
So we get plus 6. Does everybody see where we got our plus 6 from? Do we need to walk through it one more time? I need to walk through it one more time? Okay. All right, so we multiplied by 8. 4 goes into 8 how many times? Twice. And what's 2 times 3? Fantastic. All right, now, does our 8 cancel out over here? All right, cancels out, and we're left with? Can we solve it from there? Yes, we can. What would we do? Subtraction. Why did we subtract 6?
It's the opposite of positive.
Opposite of positive, and to get the variable by itself. All right, and what's 15 minus 6?
9.
And what do we do next? And x equals? 9 divided by 5 is what? 9 divided by 5 is what?
1.8.
Or 9/5. Not 45. Yes. Any questions on this problem? I believe it's number 10, maybe? All right, ready for the next one? Oh, potatoes. We only have 3 minutes. Okay.